What's going on, guys?
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel today.
Something out.
Yeah.
I just finally got the courage to say something, and she fucking just blurs the shit out.
I was talking to Dave first, and you fucking want to put your video in our way. Me and Dave were talking.
Okay. So today we are going to be inspecting my boy's FK8 2019. He did a bunch of mods to it. Well, we did to him, and I didn't record none of it, being stupid, which was it would have been like some cool ass content. But he has his Rampage set up here, big injectors, you know, the whole shebang, upgraded fuel pump. He has a flex fuel kit plus a med kit. We did a lot of things to this thing. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I've done a lot of fucking dents on it, and he hasn't killed me yet, so. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and turn it on today, and we're gonna make sure that it's not leaking, because tomorrow's gonna get tuned at Nabber Racing, Dyno. Yeah, but so the owner don't want to be in camera, so. But you know who it is? It's David.
I'm the co-owner.
You're the co-owner. Oh, okay.
I'll be stepping in for the owner.
Hey. So what do we have here? What do we got?
I don't know.
No?
I just know that.
Where did Dave go?
Dave did.
Dave, he's just fucking dead. Jeez. All right, so. All right, so let's turn this thing on and make sure that it has no leaks and then be ready for tomorrow, because you know, obviously, you know, dyno time is, you know, it's expensive. So let's make sure we have everything buttoned down here. So tomorrow we go ahead and go dynoing. So let's do it. All right, go.
Go.
Looks like we're good on fuel. Not bad. So just up this. All right, so right quick. Get an antifreeze. All right, guys, so we're at Nabbers, and yeah, we're here.
You can ask him, how many Supras have you touched?
How many Supras have you touched?
What's your expectations?
So pretty much is an unopened K20C1, so stock internals, full bolt-on, and it is Garrett 770 turbo. It's gonna be on E45. Does have methanol, and you know, just a basic setup. Let's see what it can make.
Yeet. Was that hard? Oh, yeah. Super over here, super over here.
Wanna buy one of these? Yes? Come on, dude. I think it's methanol. Yeah. That's a lot, dude. I think it's meth. Yeah. It's coming from the... Yeah.